Monday's my day off, and I'm making two of my favorite recipes, homemade lentils in the pressure cooker. Here's my lentils, and then when I'm done, I'm going to put a squeak of liquid smoke just to flavor it up. And then over here, I'm making homemade broth. Let me grab my spoon. And I make homemade broth because I get the rotisserie chickens at Costco, or I can cook up a whole chicken and then I just save the little carcass, and it makes the most delicious homemade broth. So that's what I'm doing on my day off. So this lentil recipe only has 7 or 8 ingredients: carrots, parsley, lentils, water, a scoop of chicken bouillon, a little bit of garlic, some red onion. Red onions are my favorite. I don't even fool around with the yellow onion. I just love those red ones. And I think that's it. Oh, and a little bit of Italian parsley. You throw all of that into an Instapot, turn it on for, I do anywhere from 12 to 14 minutes. Today I did a little bit bigger pot, so I cooked it for 15. And then you just, when it beeps, you just unplug it and let it natural release, and it creates the perfect steam to make the perfect lentils. It's such a hearty meal on a cold winter day. So I hope you enjoy my recipe and tag me in if you make it. Okay, I do 2/3 cup of lentils to 2 cups of water. I add about a handful of Italian parsley, maybe about this much carrots, and then I cut off a really good hunk of onion, peel off the skin, and then don't forget your spices. This is what I used this time. I always change it up, but I typically always do a little bit of garlic powder and a generous little shake of salt, of pepper. The garlic powder, I'm cuckoo. I love my spices, so I'll probably do half a tablespoon, something around there. And then instead of salt, this time I used some bouillon, and I just use a regular measuring spoon. Let me get one out here. I just kind of scoop half of my spoon there and just put it in. And you're not seeing it, but I had about 4 cloves of fresh garlic. And so that's what I do. I put all of that jazz into the, don't judge, you guys, do you like my measuring cup? I put all that stuff into an Instapot and cook it for about 15 minutes. And then when it beeps, you take out the cord and you are done. Let it natural release for about a half an hour and you'll get the most amazing lentils. Okay guys, my lentils are all done and I'm about ready to take a bite. Stick around to the end of this little video and I'm gonna link the recipe for you. It's super simple. I've been making it for over 10 years and it's one of my family's favorites. So let's go ahead and take a bite. See what it tastes like. Super, super, super yummy. I love it. So that's what I'm doing today on my day off. My Monday, I do a lot of prep cooking so I can prepare healthy meals for my family for the week. So I hope you guys are having a great day and I will talk to you later. Bye. Right, guys, this is my food storage hack, and this is something that I do daily. I've got my tape measure, my tape on the counter, and I've got my Sharpies. In love with Sharpies. It's right next to all my scratch paper. And what I do is you go like this, masking tape, and you just put lentils. I don't put the date on it because I'm always going through my leftovers pretty quickly, but you could, put the date if you want to. Anyway, that's how I do it, and then I'm going to set that in the refrigerator, and then when you're in the refrigerator, you can see all of your Tupperwares, and you know what's in them instead of like guessing. But that's me, and this is one of my cooking videos, and I hope you enjoyed it. Share it with a friend, and thanks for watching. Bye!